What have I told you? This animation takes 10 minutes in After Effects. No plugin, no third-party scripts. Just one powerful technique that most motion designers completely overlook. And today we are going to create this. I'm also dropping full After Effects expression for this morph completely free in the description box. So now let's dive in. So first open After Effects. Create a new composition. I named it Save Morph Tutorial. Now set this 1920 by 1080. Now create it. Now first create a new solid layer. White is good. Okay. Now select rectangular tool. Don't use rounded rectangular tool. Okay. Use rectangular tool. Now create a shape. First we create a subscribe button. So red color is okay. Now align it into the center and go this rectangular shape option. Rectangular 1. Okay. Now rectangular path. And then here is size, positioning and roundness. Increase the roundness like this. Okay. Now uncheck this button called link. So now we can customize this shape according to our requirement. Okay. Okay. Now before animate this shape, first we have to add a text like subscribe. Decrease the size. Now align it center and change font SF Pro. Medium is okay. So align it. So let's decrease the width like this. Now it looks fine. Yep. Okay. Now let's animate this. So let's create a keyframe. The size. Move forward a little bit. Now decrease the width at 0. Okay. So now look. Okay. Moving closer. Now move closer. Okay, little bit. It's okay. Now it look like robotic. Now here's the magic. Here's the bounce expression. Copy it and hold Option key on Mac, and if you use Windows then hold Alt key. Now click on the stopwatch icon. Now paste it here. Now see the magic. Like this bouncing, it looks like smoothie bouncing, like oh my god. Okay, now the first animation is done. So we have to create text animation like yeah, text flicker is okay. Yep, it's okay. It is look good. Now let's animate this subscribe button into a box shape, video box shape. Like at first create another keyframe, size and roundness, and then move forward like this little bit. Okay, now increase the width, also increase the height. It's look good, and decrease the roundness. Now increase a little bit of width, like it's look like a video box. Okay. Yep, it's look good, like from this shape into a video box. You can animate this literally like yep. Now we have to remove the subscribe text from here like this. Yep, cut it and delete. Now we have to add a play icon like here is okay. Now add a play icon PNG. Yep. Here is okay. Now complete here, aligned it I think it is okay. I'll change the color of the icon. So search tint. Now it's okay. White color is looking good. So first we press S on keyboard, and here is scale button. Let's look, keep it here like this. Okay, create a new keyframe here and moving forward like this, and create it and set it 0. Yep. Subscribe here is gone, and subscribe gun and video icon is pop up. Now it's look too basic. Now adds the same expression. Hold option key on Mac and click it here. Now paste it. The same expression. Okay. Yeah, that look good. Yeah. Move it forward. Yeah, that's look good. Okay. If we start from the first, subscribe, and then now it's look too basic like normal animation. If we add a cursor PNG, like if we click here and then expand it into the video layer. Now if we add a cursor PNG, yeah, here, add it. Now here's the PNG. Press S on keyboard to remove, decrease the scale. Move it forward. We need click animation. Now shift P on the keyboard, expand this property. Now create all these 3 keyframe and down, moving forward here before starting the animation. Okay, bring it here position according to your position. Yeah, here I think scale is little bit of big. I think cursor, that's okay. No, it is okay. Create a keyframe of scale here, decrease it like 10, and then 1 keyframe forward, reset this 11. Now look like little bit of clicky animation mouse. Yep, according, I think it's little bit, we have to decrease it more like 9. It's okay. Yeah, 9. Yeah, it's now the moving forward. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, good. It looks like more fast. Forward. Look like more fast. Now in the position keyframe, select all and press F9 on the keyboard to ease them. Now select this layer and create a graph like this. Yep, it looked like okay. Now enable this motion. Yeah, it's look more realistic. Yeah. Now after clicking the subscribe button, we have to remove the cursor. Now here, now set a keyframe here, another, moving forward like here, keep it down. Select this keyframe and keyframe, create a graph like this. It's too fast. Moving forward. Now play it from the fast. Subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. In this way you can create this type of smooth shape morph animation. Looks like really premium. You can use this in your videos or your clients videos. If you want this expression, After Effects expression, check in the description box. It's completely free for you, so make sure to check out the description box. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.